Crafting the perfect serve, how tennis balls are made in the factory. Introduction. Tennis, a sport that combines precision, power, and finesse, relies heavily on one unassuming but crucial element, the tennis ball. In this article, we'll embark on a journey through the intricate process of how tennis balls are manufactured in factories, from raw materials to the final product that bounces across the courts. 1. The core ingredients. The heart of a tennis ball is its core, typically made of natural or synthetic rubber. This rubber core provides the ball with its bounce. In the factory, rubber compounds are carefully mixed to achieve the desired properties for the core. 2. Compression molding. The mixed rubber compound is subjected to compression molding, where it's shaped into a half-sphere known as the core. Precision is crucial in this step to ensure consistent bounce and durability. 3. The felt cover. The core is then covered with a tightly woven fabric made of wool and nylon. This fabric is then coated with a special adhesive that provides the right amount of grip and durability. 4. Cutting and shaping. The tennis ball is cut from the fabric-covered core into two equal hemispheres. These halves are then precisely shaped to form a spherical ball. 5. Assembly. The two halves are now ready to be assembled. They are aligned so that the seams are opposite each other. The seam is a critical element of the tennis ball, as it can affect its flight and bounce. 6. Vulcanization. The assembled ball is then subjected to vulcanization, a process that involves exposure to high heat. This heat treatment cures the rubber, making it more resilient and ensuring consistent bounce properties. 7. Quality control. Tennis balls undergo rigorous quality control checks, including measurement of size, weight, and bounce. Any imperfections are identified and rectified during this phase. 8. Packaging. Once a batch of tennis balls passes quality control, they are packaged and prepared for distribution to retailers, ready for players to use on the courts. Conclusion. The ball that defines the game. The process of manufacturing tennis balls is a fascinating blend of chemistry, engineering precision, and craftsmanship. Each tennis ball undergoes a carefully controlled journey from raw materials to the final product, ensuring that it meets the high standards required for the sport. Tennis balls might seem like simple spheres, but they are the result of complex manufacturing that guarantees the consistent performance that players rely on to serve aces, hit powerful forehands, and enjoy countless volleys on the court.